Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and close your store. So let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to do a couple steps, and the first one is if you go to apps and you have a subscription on app, you want to make sure to cancel that subscription here first. The second one is you go to online store, and if you have any domain, you want to move those domain or transfer them if possible. So after these two steps, go to the bottom left corner and click on settings right there, and on the top right you can see plan and permissions. So you just have to click on that. Once you are here, just scroll down to the bottom. I only have this right here, but for you it will probably say or show two other settings as well, but this is the one you actually need. So you just have to click on this close store, enter your current password. After this, I think you have to select a reason why are you closing the store, and then just click on confirm, and that cancel your Shopify subscription and close your store. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.